Let's ditch the generic and learn how to create a realistic, textured stamp effect right here in Adobe Illustrator. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Choose your desired size. I'm going with a standard square for this example. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar, or press the T key, click on your artboard and type in the text you want for your stamp. Feel free to get creative. Now, let's give it a shape. Use the Selection tool to select your text and draw an ellipse. Now, position the ellipse around the text. Feel free to get creative with the design. Select your new design and go to the Pathfinder panel. If you don't see it, go to Window greater than Pathfinder and select the -front option to create the stamp's outline and cut out the text from the ellipse. It's time for the magic. With your stamp shape selected, go to Effect greater than Distort and Transform greater than Roughen. I recommend a size around 1015% and detail between 10-20. With a smooth setting, adjust these values to find your ideal worn look. To add the ink texture, go to Effect greater than Pixelate greater than Halftone Pattern. Experiment with size, contrast, and pattern type. A setting with size 6, contrast 30, with a line pattern works great, and that's it. You have your custom design stamp. Use the Selection tool to change the size and color of your stamp design, and there you have it. A perfect vintage effect for your branding or designs.